Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of GenGatorz University, where we unpack the ever so popular question, warranty. We want to give you the best warranty in the industry. So by doing so, we have to seek out the best products. And so the next slide, you'll see just what I'm talking about when it comes to how substantial Kohler warranty is. Let's talk about a warranty competitive review on why Kohler packs the punch when it comes to warranty. Travel and labor you're concerned? Kohler plays up to 200 miles of travel labor and warranty labor, where competitor A and competitor B max out at 100 miles with a $125 trip charge included. Here's a cool thing, warranty transfer. Kohler is the only manufacturer in the industry where the generator can follow the homeowner to a new location and maintain warranty, or the generator can stay in the same location and transfer warranty to a new homeowner. I bet you didn't know that. Give us a call today and we can talk to you more about how to extend your warranty. That's another great point. Kohler gives you up until the final day of the original manufacturer's warranty to extend, whereas competitor A and competitor B stop that at the end of the first year of purchase. Extended warranties are available with Kohler 5-year, 7-year, up to 10 years. Competitor A and competitor B are now capped out at 7 years, and even when they go out to 10, it's much more expensive, to the tune of about $300 or $400. ATS extended warranty available only with Kohler. It's not available with competitor A, it's not available with competitor B. And battery coverage. Cool thing, from the manufacturer, your battery coverage with Kohler has 12, 18-month, and 24-month options where no other manufacturer offers a battery warranty. So for the best warranty in the business, check out a Kohler home standby generator. Fun fact on the way out, Kohler made the very first generator ever known to man, still a family-owned company, built, bred, born in Wisconsin. And here's another cool thing. Our friends right down the road in Hattiesburg, Mississippi are manufacturing the 26 and the 20 RCA air-cooled product, and we've toured the factory. And when I'm talking about made in the USA, how much better does it get than right across our border in the Magnolia State and our friends in Mississippi? So there's so many reasons on why Kohler should be your flagship choice when it comes to home standby power. And if you want to talk warranty, nobody does it like Kohler and the GenGatorz. Check us out online at gengatorz.com. That's GenGatorz with a Z, where our service is cold-blooded.